Wei urang ba melatip kerteng kum regional lingsiang lai pu asnam kerta ka khatsau trik ujliu la sha shop cha luti do sau panyolak tingka ka kenon ki brio ki balatap dur ki basuba ki dehi para khasi ka snong mokongo ka badan hajan mokonro ka khubor na ki pulet ke thu makani ke jingja ka laja ka pochpo buje min miet ak por mo ni urang ba dangwan jingwan Bob Vivek CM lai thu ru ba ki pulet ki dang pelong ki jing toket hak bai de pat kani ka jingja pat boru ki checkpoint pat pelong ya ka jing khandra
person by the name of Regional Longxiang, 32 years. He was assaulted and robbed 4.7 lakhs by some unknown persons at Mao Kongo last night at 10 p.m. These people were masked and they spoke in Khasi. So, in light of all these robberies and in the area, we've set up this checkpoint up there and intensified also patrolling.
Kawai ke jingja kabla penpan yang kreat adu kata-kata kabla jah Smith East Khasil District khatsau tarik ke porjan miet wei bar jela ubala subabu de ubajude ikitiar plastik ula sho penmen saw koi ka long me hagiyeng sa jongka bat pajut jubor ki jingdeng kser so skor bat odru yakas chimpria kiti jongka kum ke jing thu jong sodar ka Smith uba kansai cm long ka ni ka long me ka de kabla tip ka teng kum ka yelenda warjri nakaliang SPCT ba Vivek CM ulong ka te ka jingja ka laja ka por pa ka te ka long me ka dan marwe hiyeng ulai thu ru ba ki pulet kidang pelong ka jing toket hagabai de ba ka ni ka jingja bala lumru ya ka jingelang bat kirang ba asnong lalam khamat de kibor pulit komandan ting police station batru panbu iki checkpoint halat Smith yamenta ketika longkme kadon naga jingsha sumar negrams badminta kadang don hapo ka jingsha sumar namar jong jing stom jor palat jong ka skor pat kumjuru ka simpriakti.
One person had come there to sell some plastic items and he found this woman alone in the house. And he yanked out her earrings and with a knife tried to cut off her finger with the intention to take off the ring out there. She has, of course, a deep cut. She was taken to the PSC in the area. Case has been registered. Efforts are on to identify this culprit. We have also called a meeting of all the Rambashnongs, which has been initiated by the OC Baranting, to look out and prevent such persons from entering localities. We have also set up a temporary checkpoint at Latsmith to deter such elements.
Henen gajan miet ki pulet ki lakem arngot ki khot ka ki issue ki bade na ka molai circle kumjuru weipat lakem ka step jang khatsan trik julio na ka jingja thangkali hamoyong ba Vivek CM lai thu badu menta khatsan ngot ki khot ka ki issue kilasha akem halor ka jingdon ki jongki ban thangkali bat kawang petrol bom pala pengat yaki ki kendon per halor ka jingkali la ka dei ka jingsha akem ki arngot ki khot ka bla pelong ki ruishum kabu ban thang gieng hum so sun ba Vivek long ba ki pulet ki dang pelong ya ka jing toket
Kami mulai circle Presiden untuk buat circle dan 6 step ni akan suwe pada dan bentai ka jingbiang ding teh moyong ada bentai akan katsan buat
Agin kendor lapan ngat gini salawat.
Ya macam-macam pada dukti sambil dukti jah dukti keleng-keleng ba dukti ha meter factory ba tham ke potrong tham yang te ha forest company macam-macam ni dukti ham ta aktivitas ham ta hi thak ông kem pathar ni kem pitik itu ba dukti